Hello, I am Teresa Schindelin and I am representing the Lukas Feichnter Gallery from Vienna. The gallery is based in the first district of Vienna at the Seilerstätte 19. The gallery not only focuses on photographic work but on paintings and installations and on collages as well. Here at the Photo Basel we are with a solo presentation with works of Marie Seiler. Marie Seiler is an Austrian artist and she was born in Wales in 1942. And over the years she focused on conceptual photography. And we are here with works by Marie Seiler. Marie Seiler is an Austrian artist and she was born in Wales in 1942, and then she moved for her education to Vienna. Over the years she focused on conceptual photography with the main subject human beings and nature in the sense of extended photography. And now if we enter the exhibition, at the first works which catch the eye are two works from the series Step On. And you can see here hanging on the wall one picture, one image which is already completed, and here on the floor we see a picture which is still in the process. So she shows on her pictures very, very fragile elements of nature. Here butterflies and here snails. And when the audience enters the exhibition, Marie Seiler invites the audience to step on the picture and even to trample on it. And by doing this, she integrates the audience into her artistic process in order to raise their consciousness by more intense art experience, because they are integrated with their own action in the process, and thereby they are they are more integrated as a person into the artistic process, and so the art experience becomes more intense, and therefore the consciousness which the artist wants to raise in the audience becomes more vivid. But she also lets nature itself contribute to her art, as you can see in this picture, for example. It's one picture from her open air series. So she develops a photograph from a dead sunflower on buried paper, which is treated with a special photo emulsion. And then she puts it outside in her garden and lets seasons and the weather contribute or even damage the picture a little bit, and therefore the nature leaves traces on her artwork, and afterwards she adds these leaves and other natural materials and red color in order to make the picture more vivid, or to achieve an artistic effect which makes the picture seem more vivid. And in general we can see that she wants to raise consciousness about the vulnerability of nature in general, and again the treatment of people towards nature, or the treatment of people in general, how they treat nature. Another approach from the artist Marie Seiler to achieve a very vulnerable and sensitive effect, artistic effect, is a special technique. She uses crumpled transparent paper, and then she treats it with a special photographic emulsion, and afterwards she develops the analog photography on this crumpled transparent paper. And as you can see here, the artistic effect is a very sensitive one, a very fragile one. Yeah, and again, drawing attention to the vulnerability of nature, because in this picture you can see a woman, and the female body for her is always a symbol for natural creativity.